Hello guys, welcome back with new video. In this video I will help you how to fix Instagram login error. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your settings and click on apps and notifications and click on CR92 apps. Scroll down and click on Instagram. After this click on force stop, okay, and click on storage and cache and clear cache. So after this go back and open your settings again and click on network and internet. Click on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi is proper connected. So I have not connected. So go back, click on SIM card and mobile network and open your mobile data. So on it. After doing this step, go back and open your Play Store and search here Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, you need to update it. So after doing update, go back and open your settings again and scroll down and click on system and click on reset options and click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth and click here reset settings. So after doing these settings, your account will be fine and login error will be removed. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.